Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO version of the Deep from the Boys. The legs have been sourced from this superhero Patrick Star. The torso comes from a Green Arrow minifigure. The arms come from a Cave Batman minifigure. The head comes from a modern Indiana Jones minifigure. And to finish the job you're going to need some brown wavy hair. If you followed the instructions, then your minifigure should look something like this. I will give you a moment to observe. This was a relatively easy minifigure for me to whip up, and as the season finale is now out, I'm going to watch that once I have finished recording. Annoyingly, the moment I decided to make this minifigure, both of my Lego octopuses disappeared, so I had to settle with the shark instead. If you have any ideas for anything else, feel free to let me know, and I would very much appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button. Thank you to all the loyalists who continue to watch the rubbish I put out. I'm happy that you enjoy it.